Oi meus amores! Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a video for people that have curly hair. So a few people ask me actually how I do my hair, so I'm going to make this video, and also because sometimes I try to myself find videos on YouTube for curly girls like me. So yeah, I have a 3A and a 3B type of hair, and also my hair is really thin, but it can be also really dry sometimes, and that's why it's really hard for me sometimes to get a good hair product on my hair. So that's why I'm making this video, and also for you to see how I style my hair and get this look and this curly, because my hair is not a lot, but I do get a little bit of volume with the hair routine that I do for my hair. Okay, so guys, I just got out of the shower like a few minutes ago, so my hair is a little bit dry right now, but I know I look like the auntie, but okay. So this is how my hair looks right now. So as you can see, it's pretty dry, but because I'm going to style it, I don't want that. I want my hair as wet as possible, or so we can style it in a good way. So always have a water bottle with you so you can spray your hair. If you're a curly girl, always have one of these because they help you a lot. Also, I never ever detangle my hair when it's dry because it can break your curls, so don't do that. So I'm going to wet my hair right now. Okay, I think that's enough. I think here, just a little bit more. Okay, you want your hair to be wet so that you can hear this sound. If you hear that sound, that means it's wet enough for you to style it. Okay, so normally I like to part my hair in two to do this. So when I shower, I do detangle my hair in the shower while I have the conditioner in my hair. I think it's easier, and also your hair is smoother, so I think it breaks less my hair than when I'm finished washing my hair. And also a few tricks that I learned is that when you're taking out the conditioner out of your hair, not to take it out like this, like the water falling right on top of your hair, but to do it like this, so the water falls here and you have more moisture here on your top of your head. So that's a tip that you can use that helps you, and also it gives less frizz on top of your head because it has more, a few of the products is still here, so that's why I do it like that. Okay, so for a cream, I'm going to use this one. It's like the first time that I'm using this. This is John Frieda Dream Curls. A little bit goes a long way, so it smells good. Okay, so I'm going to add it like this, and then you want to like go through your curls and not put a lot here, but more on your down here, and then I do like this. You hear, and then other side, and go through like that. Same, like that. Okay, we're done here. Now, I like to use a detangler like this. It has like the, what do you call this? The teeth of the comb is like this, so it goes nicely through your hair. Okay. So I have not so much hair, so that's why I really like to go for volume. That's more important for me. So this is why I'm doing this video, so you can see how I make my hair. Also, you can see that I don't have a lot of volume, and all we want is to hold those curls and for them to not go away. and I kind of style it. I like my hair to be parted in the middle, so I'm just going to like let it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to add a mousse, or some people also use gel, but I like to use this one because my hair is really thin. It goes better with my hair. And to apply the mousse, I like to also part my hair again. I do it in sections. I go with this detangler. You can also use a Demin brush, so you can like define the curls. I go like this, then I go like that, up, and like that. Now you have, I do it like this, scrunch it, part my hair again, just sections. Again, I go up, up, and then you part it like that, and you have beautiful curls like this. This will add volume to your hair and also define your curls. Okay, so now that we have defined all the curls, I'm going to add the mousse. Okay. I don't add a lot. You want to go from... You don't want to put them on top of your hair, but at the bottom of each curl, and crunch it like that. This will hold your curls and let them last a little bit longer than normal. I have no mirror right now, so I really don't know how my hair is looking in front of me, but I think it's looking good. So like these type of hair in the front, for example, I have like separate hairs, but I like to like curl it together so it becomes like a nicer curl. And I like to do this in different parts of my hair just to have nicer curls and more defined curls. You just help them go together like that. Okay, so now that you have defined your curls, you added the cream and also mousse, I go and you can air dry your hair. It's like that sometimes takes a lot of time. It sometimes takes me 4 to 5 hours for my hair to be totally air dried, but as a good curly girl, I have a diffuser. This really helps your curls to be defined and also really bouncy, I think. So, and also it doesn't add a lot of frizz to your hair, and yeah, I think, and also faster, because if you have to go somewhere, you can't like wait 4 to 5 hours for your hair to be dry. So I think this one's really help. Get a diffuser. Like if you don't have one, I'm a student. This one is a really cheap one. It's the Carmen one, and I will put it down below, so if you need one, you can check it out. It's a really good one, and so it was cheap, so that's good. Okay, so since it takes a while, I'm going to listen to music and watch a few videos while I dry my hair, because sometimes it can take me 30 to 40 minutes to dry my hair. Okay, so now it's 7:37 and we're going to start. So I do my hair at first low heat and low speed, because I think if you go right away with a high heat and high speed, it's going to get frizzy. So I start with low heat, low speed, and then when it's like 80% dry, I start with a high heat and a medium speed. And also when you start, don't touch your hair, just keep it like this so your hair can dry and you won't like destroy the defined curls. Big tip, start at your roots because they take longer to dry, so that's a good tip. Okay, so now that I kind of dried my roots, I'm going to start with the ends. And how do I do that? I normally don't scrunch your hair after you start drying your hair, so never touch your hair or scrunch it while you're drying it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this and do it on this side for a few minutes, and then again this side a few minutes, and then you go to the front for a few minutes, and then in the back also in a few minutes. So that's how it's going to be until it's dry. Okay, so I actually took a break when it was like 8 p.m. because I was really hungry, so I went to eat, and so my hair kind of dried a little bit in the air. Right now it's looking like this, and now that's, I would say 90% dried. I took this off of the dryer and I'm just going to use this just to give it a little bit of shake and a little bit more volume. And now on high heat, high speed. Okay, so I think that's enough. I don't think I need more of that. Okay, so after I'm drying my hair, I like to apply an oil to my hair so it gives a little bit of shine, and also it doesn't give that much of a frizz when you shake your hair for more volume. I use normally this oil. It has argan oil and vitamin E. The name of it is Schwarzkopf. I don't know how to call it. Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair, something like that. And it's kind of an oil and it smells really good. So I think 1.5 pump. I don't use it, I think that's enough. And what you're going to do is put in your hands like that. And then I like to put it a little bit of here. And then go through your hair with the oil, just like that, and then we shake it like that. You don't shake here, but you shake under your hair. Same in the back. And the big curls like this, I like to open them a little bit so you have a little bit more volume. All these curls like that, open them. I really don't know how my hair is looking right now because I'm not in front of a mirror. I feel like a big girl here. These curls. Guys, I really want to cut my bangs, but I'm scared if it's going to go well with my face or not. But you know, since we are in quarantine, ideas like that come to your head. Okay, I'm going to check my hair just a little bit in the mirror and then I'm going to come back with you. Okay, so after opening the curls a little bit, you see that my hair has more volume. I saw as well in the mirror that it's a little bit like it can have more volume, but I think it's not that dry yet. But since it's almost 9 p.m. I'm not going to do nothing today. I'm going to let it like this. I'm going to just let you see from behind. So yeah guys, this was my curly hair routine. It really changes, it depends. Today I actually tried this John Frieda curl cream. I don't know if I love it. I do like how the texture of my hair feels. It's a little bit shiny, so I kind of like that. Products that I also use is this one. Lota Body is also a really good cream, but it is a little bit heavy on my hair. That's why I use really a little bit of it. I don't use a lot of this. A little bit goes a long way. Like this bottle has almost 1 year and it's like here right now. And I always use the mousse. Also for shampoo and conditioner I use Aussie. I usually used Tresemme. I will put a picture of this. I don't know if Tresemme or Tresemme, I don't know the name, but it's this one. But right now I'm using this one and it's going really well with my hair. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope it helps you with your curls. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video or vlog. Bye!